unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Loud clicking sounds in your refrigerator often come from the compressor turning on and off, which is usually normal. But if the clicking is constant, or your fridge has warm spots or cycles frequently, this could mean a problem with the start relay or compressor. In that case, it's best to call a professional to avoid further damage.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.